These blueberries are so sweet. Here you go, a little treat for you. Look at all these blueberries and pears. Are you helping me pick them? Look at this one. Perfect. Ready to find more, little one? Come on, kitty, let's go. Good kitty. Almost done, sweetie. Just rinsing these.
They look yummy.
Okay, all clean now. Can I have one? Want a treat? Good kitty.
Delicious.
One more? Chopping these veggies for our stir fry. Yes, you can have some too. Oh, are you hungry too? Good kitty.